Hey everyone, I'm super duper excited to record this video because this is about the bonuses that you are going to get in case you're considering about signing up with GoHighLevel and especially GoHighLevel with my affiliate link. Now the reason is very simple, right? We believe in no bluff, right? Direct, one-to-one communication and response, right? We don't want to trick you into clicking a link and then you're gonna sign up through that. No. I want you to understand what exactly we provide and what is the benefit of working with us and going for affiliate link. Now, a lot of you wanted to know more about Go High Level. A lot of you know me through Go High Level through my YouTube channel, which is Pritam High Level, right? You've been watching a lot of my videos. You have been commenting usefully. I love your comment, love seeing the likes and everything that the love basically that you shower on this channel. So thank you so much for this. Many of you are actually my client, right? You have been getting services from us. So we are a Go High Level funnel website design agency. We'll build marketing funnels and automated websites for our client across the world who are using Go High Level. And not just that, I'm also a high level certified admin, right? So you guys are really interested to learn about what are the affiliate bonuses I provide and how can you guys sign up under me, right? And that's specifically this video is all about, right? So just to help you understand, this is a landing page that I've been designing from quite some time. We put in a lot of effort, time into now, creating this beautiful, stunning landing page, very, very clear for you to understand what exactly the landing page is all about. How can you sign up? What are the things that you need to do? X, Y, and Z. Literally everything. I'm going to walk you through here, right? Of course, you see here, this is the landing page. The link is very clear. The URL is bonus.pritam.com. So if you go to pritam.com, you're going to go to my service landing page. But if you go to bonus.pritam.com, you will be able to get to my affiliate landing page. The affiliate landing page is a one-stop solution for all the affiliate links. Doesn't matter if you want to start with 97, 297, 497. If you're already an existing customer and you want to upgrade and get our exclusive bonuses, all of that is available. So make sure that you go through all of these, right? The first thing that you will be able to understand and see is this, right? We deliver what we promise. That's our USP. My name is Pritam. I'm from India. I run this agency for our clients, and I've been supporting my affiliates based on what are the resources that I promised to give them. I give them. You don't have to worry about, I signed up under him. I didn't get the resources. Those things don't happen here, right? Because the moment you sign up, I check every day, and then I send you an email with the details and appointment for you. For you to schedule an appointment with me, and because that's an added bonus that you're going to get with this, right? But anyways, we deliver what we promise, and that's our USP. And this is the one-stop solution in case you're looking to upgrade and use Go High Level bonuses with our affiliate link, right? Why the reason why you should get started with me is very simple, right? You should get started with somebody who's a master funnel builder, who's a trainer himself, and an online marketing strategist for over 6 years of experience, right? I started this almost 6 years, I think more than 6 years actually in the marketing space. I'm with Go High Level for more than 3 years already, right? And it's crazy how Go High Level has been growing, and it's crazy how we have been able to support our affiliates and our clients as well, right? I'm also I work with businesses globally, as you know, because of my service agency. Not just that, I'm also officially certified by the Go High Level. This is very unique. I'm officially certified by Go High Level team. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the video that's going to come around here. You can see the landing page that we have designed. It's top notch, guys. It's top notch, right? Yeah, in case you want to want to check more about the bonuses, you can click here, and that will actually take you to the bonuses on this page. But I want to show you some more here, right? So here's the thing, right? Go High Level is all about helping you grow as a business. It's all-in-one marketing platform that helps you and provides you with all the tools that you need to succeed online with your business. Right? They have more than 60,000. This is as per their website, but I think they have grown by leaps and bounds, guys. I mean, I have no doubt about this. It's probably more than 100,000 already. So 60,000 plus customers, 1.4 million businesses associated with the Go High Level software, which is absolutely bonkers. Not just that, they've generated over 622 million leads and 14.7 billion conversations. But I think this is the old stat. They have to improve. They have to get this recheck, because this is much, much more than what it is currently now. Right? High level literally has everything that you need to succeed, because as I told you, it has the entire marketing and automation system you need to grow in the online space. It's a fully white label. So in case you're planning to get into the 297 or 497 plan and you want to fully white label it, automate it, then you should be going with it. It gives you literally unlimited sub accounts at 297, 497 plan. It gives you literally unlimited users at every single plan, and it literally gives you unlimited contacts at every single plan at every single sub account, which is amazing, right? Apart from that, you are going to understand more about the prices of Go High Level. So they have a 97 plan, they have a 297 plan, and 497 plan. Now, if you are just starting out, right? If you already have a business, want to take it online, or if you're already doing well in your life and you want to explore a side option and want to grow an online business, then 297 would be the plan that I will highly recommend for you. In case you're very new, in case you just want it for yourself, you don't want to explore further in terms of multiple sub accounts, SaaS, and all of that, then you should go with 97 plan. And if you want to truly automate your entire system, all right, of creating sub accounts, rebuilding people, all of that, which is the USP. But the first 2 points actually is the specific reason as to why you should go for 497, which is automatic SaaS account creation, rebuilding, which means that anybody who uses text and emails and all of that, right, you can rebuild them, which basically means you can also add a markup on that, so that every time they call, the text, the email, you can make profit out of that, which is crazy. But that's for the pro ones, right? Anybody who wants to get to the next level of automating it. But in case you're just starting out, I'll highly recommend go for the 297 plan. It's nothing compared to the value it provides, guys. If you can make the most of it, then you will be able to understand that Go High Level is such a blessing for most of the businesses around there in the online space, right? And here's very simple, right? These are all affiliate links. So when you click on it, you go to the page and then you sign up. Make sure you have this referral code, which is ref, right, equals your free trial. That's the referral link. In case you want to go for 297, go for the 297. Go down and you will be able to see the 297. Click on that. You have 14-day free trial available. And your 497 plan. If you're very new and you want to straight away jump into the 497 plan, then you click on this and you get into the 497 plan. You also get a 14-day free trial. Not just that, if you want bonuses, special discounts. So let's say you don't want to pay a monthly fee, right? You don't want to pay $97 every month. Rather, you want to pay $970 per year and then save 2 months of Go High Level fees. Then this is the plan you go for. By the way, this is the plan I like because I want to pay everything upfront and I just want to focus on my business. I don't want any kind of hassle in terms of payments. So let's proceed forward with the yearly plan, and that's how you want to do it. The same link actually works for the 297 as well. As you can see here, this also works for the 297, and then here this also you can do for 497, right? Apart from that, if you're an already existing customer at the 297 plan, then you can actually move forward with us with the 297 plan, right? So in order for you to move from 97 to 297 under us, you have to go to this link, you have to just submit a form so that Go High Level can understand that, hey, you're coming via Pritam, so they need to tag under Pritam so you can get the bonuses which you deserve. So your name, your last name, your email, your agency relationship number is very simple. It's actually available on the top right hand side. You on your dashboard or on your agency view account. Right, so you'll be able to get the agency relationship number. The affiliate code is very simple. You can see this is the affiliate code. Just copy this affiliate code, add this here, and click on upgrade to high level unlimited plan. This is going to give you unlimited sub accounts, which is absolutely bonkers, guys, because the 97 is only limited to 3 sub accounts. As you can see here, 3 sub accounts, but this is unlimited. Same goes for this one, which is already existing customer. If you're in the 97 or 297 plan and you want to upgrade to 497 plan under me, then make sure you click on this link, because again, you have to fill in your name, your email, your affiliate credit. And again, the affiliate credit is already given here. This is what you have to copy and you just have to paste. And this is the agency relationship number, which you're going to get in your agency dashboard on the top right hand side. When you click on that question mark, you're going to get the relationship number. You submit this, and within 1 to 3 business days, they are going to upgrade to you to the ASAS Pro plan. That's pretty much how the pricing works. I'm excited to have you guys with me, right? Because, and by the way, Go High Level has won so many awards and is actually one of the fastest growing startups in US. And literally, people across the world are using. I already have clients across 12 plus countries, so this is going crazy. And all of these clients are 6, 7, and 8 figure businesses who are already using Go High Level to build their significant part of their online business and marketing solutions, right? So you must be thinking that why exactly you should be joining with me, right? Because a lot of businesses actually feel overwhelmed with the complex marketing technology and they want a kickstart in order to proceed forward, to understand the system. They want an assistant, right, in the initial phases. And that's exactly where I come in, right? Let me help you kickstart your high level journey because here I'm going to provide you with a one on one exclusive consult call, right? By the way, the consult call we do is paid actually, but for this time you're going to get it absolutely free. We're also going on the consult call, we're also going to do your basic setup, and you're going to get 9,000 worth of bonuses, right? I'll highly recommend, if you are somebody, right, who wants to learn more about high level, who wants to grow your business and are genuinely interested, right? I don't want you to be somebody who just playing around here and there, because this is a great opportunity. You don't want to miss that at all, right? So in case you're very, very serious, make sure you go through this, make sure you sign up, because that's exactly where you're going to learn more about the system and the ability of what the system can do for your business, and your ability to resell it to your subscribers so that you can have I mean, not affiliate commission, it's actually subscription commissions, right? That you're gonna get. So you can charge people 97, 297, 1,000. I have my clients charging $5,000 a month, right? And this is a recurring revenue that comes up every single month to you because you're part of the high level system, right? I myself have actually worked with over 100 plus 6, 7, 8 figure businesses, and some of these are just explained. The logos are shown here. That's it. But there are so many more. Right, 12 plus countries is not less at all. Right. So here you will be able to understand what the bonuses that I provide. Right, it's a one-on-one exclusive consult call. I normally charge $49 per 30 minutes, so it's $98 per hour, which is what you get absolutely free. You can learn more about this here. I'm also GoHighLevel certified admin by the GoHighLevel team specifically, and I'm the first ever Indian to be officially certified by GoHighLevel in the entire world. Right. So, normally we do a setup fee for $299, but you're gonna get this for absolutely free. So you're gonna get more details here or what exactly is covered. Again, ladies and gentlemen, we deliver what we have promised, so you don't have to worry about that because that's a USP. The premium custom designed build bonuses, this is what you're going to get here. You're going to get these kind of funnels, lead generation systems for yourself, websites, all of this. You're going to get automation, you're going to database reactivation workflows and cheat sheets and all one whatnot. And not the last but not the least, right, uh, you are also going to get the opportunity to stay in touch with me, to get assistance with email communication. So that exactly means that, hey, you are, for example, you get stuck with something, even after this consult call, even after this free setup, and when bonuses get delivered to you, in that case, what you're going to achieve is, let's say you have any kind of questions and queries, you can always reach out to me, right? You can stay in touch with me. So we are happy to provide you with solutions. So let's say if I know about the solution, I can provide it, but GoHighLevel keeps on improving. If there is a document or any other helpful resource, I'm going to forward that to you right away in order to make sure that you are seamlessly using GoHighLevel. Right. If you have any queries, feel free to reach out. But let me help you understand that once you sign up, right, I will be able to see that in my system. I will send you a link to schedule this free consult call. Right. We actually charges $98 per hour, and then I'm going to personally help share the snapshot in your account and set it up for you. Right. That's exactly what you get, ladies and gentlemen. In case you're excited, you can get started now with this packages, with this I mean, there's various options, right? When I choose from 97, 297, 497, it's up to you, but I highly recommend that you proceed forward and take this opportunity to grow your business with GoHighLevel. uh, as I said, you have seen already my in terms of knowledge, experience, and credibility. I hope that that's going to differentiate me from others, because that's exactly what people come to me for, because they want to be associated with an expert who have done it, who have experienced it, who are already helping businesses across the world using GoHighLevel. I assume that's where you actually also want to associate with, right? Thank you so much for watching the video. Go ahead, sign up. Can't wait to get on a call with you and help you go great and go big with GoHighLevel. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon.